Want to recover deleted tabs on Safari on your iPhone? Here's how. Using the Recently Closed Tabs feature, open Safari on your iPhone to start the recovery process. Tap the tabs icon at the bottom right, which looks like two overlapping squares, to view your open tabs. Long press the plus icon found at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you will see a list of recently closed tabs. This feature automatically keeps track of tabs you've recently closed. Tap on any tab from the list to quickly reopen it. This makes accessing accidentally closed tabs hassle-free. Retrieving tabs from Safari history. If the tab you are looking for isn't in the recently closed list, you can go to Safari's history for another method. Tap the bookmarks icon, which you'll find at the bottom of the Safari screen, to access your saved pages and history. Select the history icon that looks like a clock. This icon will lead you to a chronological list of the websites you've visited. Browse through the detailed list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific page you need. This search function can quickly narrow down your options. Tap on the desired page in the history list to reopen it in Safari. This step provides a backup method if the recently closed feature doesn't show the tab. Using the Shake to Undo feature. If you've just closed a tab accidentally, you can try shaking your iPhone. This enables a useful shortcut feature. When an Undo Close tab pop-up appears on your screen, tap Undo to recover the tab immediately. If shaking doesn't bring up the option, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, then tap Accessibility to access more options for customizing your device's behavior. Tap on Touch within the accessibility settings, then look for the Shake to Undo option. Ensure that Shake to Undo is enabled. This feature provides a quick way to reverse accidental actions. Subscribe for more simple, useful tips.